Alright, so it's Friday, 11 p.m. We are leaving tomorrow morning to head to Colorado for Teen Nationals. So I have everything packed over here. I'm just bringing my gym bag and a backpack with clothes because I'm only going to be there for one day. So we're taking off around 8 in the morning, 9 in the morning tomorrow. And then we have to make a pit stop in Charlotte, which is a connecting flight. And then we'll go from Charlotte to Denver, Colorado. So we should be getting in Denver around 3, 4 in the afternoon. By that point, I'll have cut all water, but we're going to have to go grocery shopping to get a bunch of stuff so we can recomp once we make weight, because as you guys know, I am water cutting. So it'll be good. Just got some Fairlife. We got one more gallon of water to drink for tonight because I poorly managed that. And then we're going to head to bed, and we'll see you guys in the morning. Sir, how'd you sleep, buddy? Shut up. Alright, so we finally got to the airport after like a 45-minute drive in the rain, where it's just like everyone was just driving 30 miles per hour, so that was good. And then once we got here, it took us like 20 minutes to find airport parking. So like if you're ever flying, just give yourself like an extra like 30 minutes literally just to find parking. Like it's absolutely ridiculous. So we ended up parking. We're gonna head in soon, but we're gonna eat real quick. I got Wawa breakfast sandwich, bacon, egg, and cheese on a bagel, and like this coffee roll thing. And I'm gonna finish up the rest of my water. And that's like 1,000 calories right there. Just something to fill me up because I haven't eaten anything so far today. So we gotta make sure that we're having our food along with the rest of the water that we need before we cut it all out in a couple hours. So yeah, I'm gonna put the camera away, and we'll see you guys right before we get on the plane. Yeah.
Maybe you can't find us?
I know what he was thinking. Alright, we landed in Charlotte. Now we're on our connecting flight straight to Denver.
Carousel number 17.
So we're waiting to get picked up by your Uber now. I had no idea this airport was fucking so big. Like this airport is huge. But we're waiting to get picked up right now, and then we're gonna, I think I see the Uber right over there. And then we're gonna Uber to the venue of the meet, and then we're gonna meet up with Cameron, and then from there we're gonna Uber back to the hotel, and then we're gonna go puff everything we need. I don't really know if I feel like taking multiple Ubers and paying for all that when I can just go puff it. So yeah, it's kind of fun. Alright, so it's like 11:40 at night. We fast forwarded like 6 hours, something like that. We go puffed a shit ton of stuff from the store. Saltine crackers, Ritz crackers, Sour Patch Kids, Pop-Tarts, Gatorade, Pedialyte, all for recomping for tomorrow after we make weigh-ins. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna go home, or oh my god, did I just say we're gonna go home? That's good. We're gonna knock out soon. I'm like down to like 236 from the water cut. I'll probably wake up around 234 and then spit out probably around 3 pounds. And then we're gonna go to the venue, make weigh-ins, and then that'll be it. And then we'll get to it. So we'll see you guys in the morning and see what we're weighing in at. Alright, so we weighed in at 104.3, for fuck's sake. I'm scrapping the whole thing. We weighed in at 104.3, which is a little light, which is fine, because I did a good job of cutting. So we're recomping right now. I just slammed a Gatorade with a tri-roll in it, and then we're gonna put another tri-roll in a Gatorade and then sip that while eating some Pop-Tarts, and then just get back in the groove of things. I think we start lifting in like an hour and a half, so we're gonna have plenty of time. But until then, I'm just gonna put some music and relax until we start warming up.
Bar. This round, obviously, is the last 6 hours.
Go! Hey, big head, set up, let's go. Front! Yep. Yeah!
They were just yelling when I was out there. Yeah.
Crosby, 94 pounds. Only 413.4.
Let's go! Start! Press! Drive!
64. Big line like Sakara.
Now!
Kristen Patterson, platform 1.
Let's go, Sean!
Where they be?
First place, Sean Mills.
You're about to be medium body Friday. 27.7. That's going to be an 8. That's got to be an 8. You got the bike. Clean it up again. Wait, should I go take a picture? Should you go take a picture? Where's T? Collect your chips.
Alright, so we finished our meet with 818 total, which is pretty trash relative to my meet beforehand. But it is what it is. I felt a certain type of way about the bench pauses. You guys can see for yourselves and draw your own conclusions, but we're not here to make excuses, even though I just did. We're just gonna head home and get back into training, head to Corrupted Strength in a couple of weeks, and that's pretty much it. So I appreciate you guys tuning in, and until the next one.